First question is the fungus causing leaf spot disease of banana is, so the correct answer is option C, that is Mycosarilla. And the next question is 256 microspores shall be formed by meiosis of, so the correct answer is option C, that is 64 microspore mother cells. And the next question is which of the following processes is used in the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme, so the correct answer is option A, that is oxidative decarboxylation. And the next question is the C4 plants are different from the C3 plants with reference to the, so the correct answer is option A, that is the substance that accepts carbon dioxide in the carbon assimilation. In Malvaceae, which condition of endosperm is found, so the correct answer is option B, that is monoadelphous extros. In Rous sarcoma virus information flow is from, so the correct answer is option D, that is RNA to DNA, DNA to RNA and RNA to protein. And the next question is the enzyme nitrogenase that fixes atmospheric nitrogen in the root nodules of leguminous plants comprises of two subunits, the composition of each respectively being, so the correct answer is option A, that is Fe protein and MOFE protein. And the next question is germplasm incorporates, so the correct answer is option D, that is all of these. And the next question is which pair of substances are used to induce shoot formation and root formation respectively during organogenesis, so the correct answer is option C, that is cytokinin for shoot formation and auxin for root formation. Tissue culture is, so the correct answer is option D, that is maintenance, growth and differentiation of cells, tissue and organ on artificial medium. The function of lysosomes is to, so the correct answer is option D, that is recycle cellular medial and digest materials taken in from environment. And the next question is which of the following is correctly matched, so the correct answer is option C, that is synapses of homologous chromosomes zygote. And the next question is which of the following is correctly matched, so the correct answer is option A, that is Holendrick gene chromosome. The enzyme required to obtain wall-free naked protoplast are, so the correct answer is option B, that is cellulase and pectinase. And the last question is a concentric amphivalvular bundle is one which is characterized by, so the correct answer is option A, that is centrally located phloem surrounded by xylem. Its testing or normal individual is done by, so the correct answer is option C, that is identification of antibodies. And the next question is soma clonal variation appears in plants, so the correct answer is option C, that is raised in tissue culture. And the next question is in DNA fingerprinting the sequence which are matched are, so the correct answer is option A, that is mini satellite DNA. And the next question is animals of cold areas have shorter and smaller extremities, this is, so the correct answer is option A, that is Allen's law. And the pregnant male serum gonadotropin is administered to, so the correct answer is option A, that is overcome sterility. Dopamine is a hormone which inhibits the synthesis of, so the correct answer is option C, that is prolactin. And the next question is Wernicke's area in the cerebral cortex is a concern with, so the correct answer is option D, speech and speaking. And the next question is Burkitt's lymphoma is a cancer of, so the correct answer is option B, that is B lymphocytes. And the next question is a technique used to study substances present inside cells, their extracts and emission is, so the correct answer is option D, that is microspectrophotometry. Small teeth with faulty enamel occur in children whose mothers has received treatment of antibiotics, so the correct answer is option C, that is tetracycline. Which of the following clotting factors are antihemophilic factors, so the correct answer is option A, that is 8th and 9th. And the next question is complementary determining region are present in which of the part of immunoglobulin molecule, so the correct answer is option D, that is between the variable region of light chain and the variable region of heavy chain. And the next question is which part of the nephron makes the filtrate isotonic blood plasma and how, so the correct answer is option C, distal convoluted tubules, because water is absorbed here under the influence of ADH. Sexually transmitted disease in human are caused by virus, bacteria, protozoans, etc. Which of the following are bacterial disease, so the correct answer is option B, that is chancroids and syphilis. Which hormone surge in the blood plasma occurring before the ovulation in human, so the correct answer is option A, luteinizing hormone. This frog has 10 cranial nerves, the 6th cranial nerve is in nature, so the correct answer is option A, that is motor. And the next question is which one of the following is a matching pair of certain body feature and its abnormal condition, so the correct answer is option C, that is platelet thrombocytopenia. And the next question is deltoid ridge is present in which bone, so the correct answer is option D, that is humorous. And the next question is, which one of the following condition is correctly matched with its consequent symptoms? So the correct answer is option B, that is hypervitaminosis C, stone formation. The normal oxygen hemoglobin curve will be shifted to the left when? So the correct answer is option C, that is increase in partial pressure of oxygen. In cloning of cattle, a fertilized egg is taken out of mother's womb, and so the correct answer is option A. And the next question is, choose the correctly matched pair from the following. So the correct answer is option A, that is gonorrhea, hepatitis B, or sexual transmitted disease. And the next question is, select the correct statement about hormones and their action. So the correct answer is option B, that is insulin and glucagon helps to maintain the blood sugar level. And the next question is, select the correct sequence of Homo erectus. So the correct answer is option A, that is erectus, Homo, primata, chordata and animalia. And the last question is, select the correct option regarding A, B, C. So the correct answer is option C, that is C-F-actin polymer of monomeric G-actin helically bound to each other. A scientist found that a particular gene was mutated, but the polypeptide coded by this gene has not changed. The mutation probably involved which of the following? So the correct answer is option C, that is substitution of a nucleotide. And the next question is, an example of gene therapies. So the correct answer is option B, that is introduction of gene for adenosine deaminase in a person suffering from SCID. A doctor advises a patient to include yellow fruits, carrot and butter in his diet. What deficiency disease do you think the patient is suffering from? So the correct answer is option A, that is night blindness. A person passes excessive urine and drinks much water, but his glucose level is normal. It is due to? So the correct answer is option D, that is reduction in vasopressin secretion in posterior protein, which plays a significant role in aging is? So the correct answer is option B, that is collagen. Which one of the following correctly explains the function of a specific part of a human nephron? So the correct answer is option A. And the next question is, which of the following human parasites required mosquito to complete their life cycle? So the correct answer is option D, that is Vaucheria bancrofti and Plasmodium vivax. And the next question is, in an area where DDT has been used extensively, the population of bird declined significantly because? So the correct answer is option D, a specimen or other elements select to serve as nomenclature type as long as to all of the material on which the description of the new species were based is missing is called? So the correct answer is option B, that is neotype. And the last question is, Malleus incus and step pitch. So the correct answer is option B, that is collect the vibrations in air which produces the sound. So thank you, God bless you.